Today we are going to start with chapter number 5, Kings, Kingdom and Early Republic. In this chapter we will study about Janpadas, Mahajanpadas, types of kingdom, life of people in the Janpadas and कुछ features पढ़ेंगे. Soon after the Latic Vedic period, tribal setup gradually and get transformed into territorial state. The Aryans cleared large forest area that existed over Ganga plain. This was done with the help of iron axes. Iron tool and implements also helped them to develop agriculture. ठीक है, क्या हुआ, इन्होंने आयरन टूल्स वगैरह का यूज करा, उससे क्या हुआ, देयर वाज अ डेवलपमेंट इन द एग्रीकल्चर. ठीक है, फॉरेस्ट वगैरह को कट करने के लिए या फिर उसको लैंड को फर्टिलिटी उसकी खोदने के लिए, देखा ना, पहले उसको खोदते. The surplus goods were sold in large market and extent. Other goods were purchased as large tracts of lands were cleared. Population increased. Many kingdoms were formed in north part of India. They were known as जनपदास. देखो बहुत सारे किंगडम फॉर्म हुए इन द नॉर्थ पार्ट ऑफ इंडिया, उन्हें हम क्या कहते हैं, जनपदास कहते हैं. जनपदास, द वर्ड जनपदास literally means land where the jana or people set their food and settled down. The term came in use in later Vedic age in the region of fertile plain in North India. ये term कब यूज हुआ, लेटर वैदिक एज में हुआ, और किस रीजन में, फर्टाइल प्लेन ऑफ नॉर्थ इंडिया. Earlier you will read how the tribal chiefs slowly become Raja of the people or Jana. Soon the tribe settled down in the Upper Ganga Yamuna Doab and started calling their territory by their tribe names such as Kuru, Panchal or Koshla. This territory came to be known as Janpada. और इस territory को क्या कहा जाता था, जनपदास कहा जाता था. Now Ashwamedh Jana, during the Rigvedic period, Raja or the chief were generally elected. Their position was also not hereditary. They maintained their position on the strength of merit. देखो, जो इनकी जो पोजीशन होती थी वो हेरिडिटरी नहीं होती थी, वो किस पे बेस्ड होती थी, मैरिट पे बेस्ड होती थी. ठीक है, बट नाउ some men came to recognize as Raja by performing very big sacrifice. जैसे अश्वमेध और फोर्थ sacrifice was one such. कुछ राजा को रिकॉग्नाइज कर जाता था कि जो क्या करता था, कोई सेक्रीफाइस, बड़ा सेक्रीफाइस परफॉर्म कर रहा है. इन दिस सेक्रीफाइस हॉर्स ऑफ गुड स्पीशीज, जनरली स्टेलियन, was let loose to wander freely and it was guarded by Raja men. If the horse was stopped by any person, it meant he did not expect anybody else supremacy and was ready for a battle to prove his military strength. ठीक है, जो इसमें क्या होता था, एक हॉर्स को रखा जाता था जो प्रूफ करता था, ठीक है, उसको छोड़ दिया जाता था और उसकी सुपरमेसी देखी थी, उसको रोक लेता था, उसकी सुपरमेसी को प्रूफ करा जाता था. The Raja, after the successful completion of Ashwamedh Yajna, usually has a bigger region under a control. His territory was now called, और उसकी जो टेरिटरी थी उसको क्या कहा जाता है, जनपदास कहा जाता है. ठीक है, आर्कियोलॉजिकल एक्सकेवेटेड नंबर ऑफ सेटलमेंट ऑफ जनपदास, जैसे आपका पुराना किला हस्तिनापुर इन मेरठ एंड अतरंची खेड़ा इन एटा, ये क्या है, आपके कुछ जनपदास है. Now Mahajanpadas, about 25 years ago, some of Janpadas become larger and more powerful. They come to be known as Mahajanpadas. This was also the time of Lord Buddha and Mahavir. The Buddhist literature mentioned 16 Mahajanpadas. वो कौन-कौन से हैं? Now, types of kingdom. There are two types of kingdom, republic or monarchy. ठीक है, republic that was ruled by a group of people. It is consisted of single tribes such as Shakyas, Kolas, Vajis and Yadav. They have an assembly of learned person who were also elected. The republic was free to maintain an army. ठीक है, जो रिपब्लिक होते थे वो अपनी आर्मी अपने आप मेंटेन कर सकते थे. ठीक है, और उनको कौन कंट्रोल करता था, सेनापति. Monarchy, those monarchy that were ruled by monarch or king is known as monarchies. The king was supreme power and his kingship was hereditary. जो king था वो क्या था, सुप्रीम पावर था, और जो उसकी किंगशिप थी वो क्या थी, हेरिडिटरी थी. लाइफ ऑफ पीपल इन द जनपद, देखो जो लाइफ थी लोगों की जनपद में वो डिफरेंट थी, और कुछ आर्कियोलॉजिस्ट थे जिन्होंने जनपद को देखा था, पुराना किला इन दिल्ली, हस्तिनापुर नियर मेरठ, अतरंची खेड़ा. On the basis of available finds, they have come to the following conclusion. Habitat देखा उन्होंने, farming, herding, gifts, art and craft. Habitat की बात करते हैं, they lived in huts and small houses. People grow many crops such as wheat, barley, rice, pulses, mustard. Herding with the domesticated cattle as well as other animals. Gifts, ये occasional gifts और tributes देते थे. Art and crafts, they made earthen pots specially made up of grey and red color. फीचर्स ऑफ महाजनपदास, वहां पे कैपिटल सिटी होती थी, फोर्ट्स होते थे, टैक्सेस होते. Most Mahajanpadas had a capital city. इनकी capital city होती थी. Many of the capital cities were fortified. This means that these cities were surrounded by huge walls of wood, bricks, or stone. But building such huge walls buried and great debt of planning, enormous labor and wealth. The state activities in the Mahajanpads were many. To build huge forts and maintain big armies, Rajans need more resources. इसके लिए जो Rajans हैं उनको किसकी नीड पड़ी थी? ज़्यादा resources की पड़ी. Taxes from farmers, taxes from herders, taxes from traders, taxes from craftsmen, and taxes from hunter and gatherers. ये अलग अलग लोगों से taxes लेते थे जिसका 1/6 of the crop was produced. This was known as bhaga of a share. This was a major portion. They had to pay taxes in form of animal and animal product. ठीक है, ये taxes pay करते थे in the form of animal and animal product. Taxes were imposed on goods that were bought and sold. ठीक है, taxes from craft person. Taxes रहते थे craft person से. ठीक है, they had to pay forest produce to the king as a tax. और ये in a form of tax देते थे. ठीक है. Now यहाँ पे कुछ agriculture की बात करी गई है. Agriculture prospered in most of the Mahajanpad as they were located in fertile area. The republics, however, were mostly in less fertile region. Iron come to be used widely in the making of plowshare, hoes, and various other farming tools. Many canals and wells were dug to facilitate irrigation. The farmer learned to use manure to grow. Farmers ने क्या करा? Manure का use करना start करा to grow the crop. Now here are some case studies that are given. ठीक है, यहाँ पे कुछ case studies दी गई है मगधा के बारे में, supply of water के बारे में. You have to do this. Evaluation time, very short answer type question. Write one example of settlement excavated by archaeologists in the Mahajanpada. How many Mahajanpadas has been mentioned in Buddhist literature? कितने Mahajanpadas mentioned है हमारे Buddhist literature? Write the names of 3 most powerful Mahajanpa. Where did people live? People of Mahajanpada live, and write the main crops grown by the people living in Mahajanpada. कुछ main crops है. Short answer type question. What did Rajas of Mahajanpada wills? Write the names of 16 Mahajanpada. जो 16 Mahajanpad है उनके नाम लिखने हैं. Now mention any 3 main features of Janpadas. आपको 3 main features लिखने हैं. Long answer type question. Explain the rituals of Ashwamedh Yajna. Throw light on taxation. Write a note on 2 types of kingdom privileged in later Vedic period. Next is describe agriculture as the main occupation of people. Now pick the correct answer. During the period, the Rajas or chiefs were appointed, elected या nominated या none of these. ठीक है, none of these. Which of these were most powerful Mahajanpadas? इसमें से कौन था? सारे थे. These Mahajanpadas were ruled by a king, democratic dictatorial monarchy. Farmers had to pay 1/6 of the bhaga. Which one of these metals were largely used to make plowshare and hoe? That is किसका? Copper का. That's all for today. Hope you understood the chapter.